Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Guys, by any chance when your mobile data is switched on, but you are unable to get your internet, then in such cases what we can do immediately. So in this video I will show you 2 steps to fix quickly. Step 1. If your mobile data is turned on but despite of that you are not getting any internet, then first step you turn on airplane mode, and wait few seconds. And then again turn off airplane mode. Since you have done this, your mobile would be getting internet where our data is switched on, and you'll be able to access your internet on your mobile phone. After following the step, if problem not solved, then follow second step. Go to your phone settings and reset your network APN according to your device network settings. After resetting again, select it. That's it. Now you would be able to get your internet. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.